If you don't know about the new products in this month's glove box, you're probably living under a rock. And I mean that for detailers, because what I'm gonna show you in this month's glove box are some incredible products made by incredible people. And yes, I am pimping the swag today because of what's in the box. We have Phoenix EOD products. This is their Apex Auto Wash, inspired by Apex Detailing, which has since changed his channel's name, but he is still the same Brian, and he was the inspiration for this soap. He wanted a pure cleaning soap. No frills, no crazy colors, no crazy scents. It is a pure cleaning shampoo. We're gonna use that today to wash. We also have the Titan Hybrid Detailer, which is an incredible ceramic-based detailer. We have some nice plush towels. We have a little plush wash mitt. Now, granted, I'm probably not gonna use this wash mitt because I'm just not a fan of chenille wash mitts, but you know, it's still a nice wash mitt to use for other things. I'm probably gonna use it for either wheels or even the top plastic of this Jeep. And then we have a bottle of their Hydra rinseless wash. This can be used for all sorts of things. As a rinseless wash, as a quick detailer, as an interior cleaner as well. Now, it's not gonna be like a tough carpet and plastic or leather cleaner, but it's great for maintenance jobs. And of course, we have the little card. This is the March glove box. For the pre-washing, or in this case, pre-foaming, I'm gonna foam down the entire thing. I'm using SudsLab Extreme Conditions Wash. Squeaky clean. This thing is looking awesome. This is a beautiful color. Now, we clean this often. It usually comes in once every 6 months or so. And we actually have a video on this already. Go and check it in the card. But we ceramic coated the trim. However, it didn't really last that long. Now, I don't know where this thing is parked, but it has a lot of sun damage. So this is their daily driver, and obviously it has it's seen a lot of, I don't know, beach times or mountain times, I don't know what, but the trim coating just didn't really last on. I mean, this trim looks okay, but it's not beating up like it's been coated. But we coated everything. It still looks dark and rich for the most part, just that front bumper doesn't look that good. And I may have used a little bit too much soap. Yeah, that Apex Auto Wash is very concentrated. So you really don't need that much at all. I think I just used too much. Because it's fun, why not? I've lost my mind. It's true, it's true. I sweep. I sweep. What?
Oh look, the boat. Bononos.
Oh no, and bononos. Opals and bononos. So as I was finishing up the interior, because it was full of dog hair, I'm not going to record any of that. I got plenty of videos on dog hair removal. Go and check those out on the channel if you're interested in finding out how we remove dog hair. Lots of different tools that we use, and just lots of back-breaking vacuuming and brushing and time spent on the carpets. But Wifey protected the vehicle with Glossom Wax. Now that didn't come in the glove box, but Titan did. Now that's not a ceramic-based sealant. It's actually a Teflon hybrid type of sealant. It's a really, really strong sealant also. Very easy to apply, and it's also mobile detailer friendly. So sun friendly, you can use it outdoors. But kind of just for the final touch, I want to use Titan to kind of give the whole vehicle a spray, a wipe down with it. And this, again, just adds a little bit more gloss. Gloss is subjective, but a little bit more protection as well. It just makes things really nice and slick. So this is just kind of the final touch to any type of detail, is applying a nice quick detailer at the end to make things really look nice. And again, it's just to kind of clean up any smudging, any smearing. As the name, kind of signifies, a quick detailer is just that. It's just quickly mopping up any of the little final details and making things look really, really nice. So a quick wipe around the vehicle and this thing will be done. Now, we also treated all the plastics with Can Coat Evo. So that's a 2-year coating. It's a 2-year on the paint. On plastics, it goes on plastics really well, but something about these plastics, they, obviously this thing just sits in the sun, and the whole front bumper, even after applying that, it looks okay, but it's so damaged that there's not much we can do. We would probably have to re-dye it. So that's something maybe if the customer wants to do, then we can do that. But that's what it's going to take, is kind of re-dyeing this plastic. Vehicles with so much plastic like this, your old Avalanches, your Chevy Avalanches, your Jeeps, a lot of people just don't take care of the trim. Even if you just clean it and put a water-based dressing on it once a month, that would be actually really good if you were to keep up on it like that. But a lot of people forget. It's tedious. It's just an extra product and an extra thing that you have to do instead of just washing it, spraying something on the paint and wiping it all down and just being done with it. If you neglect your plastic, it will look like this over a couple of years. And then you're going to have to either live with it or do some sort of restoration on it. And again, that's tedious and could be costly as well. So just clean it and dress it at least once a month. Some sort of water-based dressing, like whatever you're putting on your tires, if it's a water-based dressing on your tires, put it on your trim also. Anything is going to help than just letting it go and letting the sun just eat away at the plastics. And this stuff just smells so good. Now, as far as the rinseless wash goes, obviously I didn't use it in this detail, but we've used rinseless washes before. Again, just search the channel for rinseless wash and you'll see a bunch of videos on those as well. Oh, and before I forget, if you want to get a glove box subscription like this once a month, where you get a bunch of different products and some towels and maybe even some other tools, brushes, things like that, then check out the link down below for glove box and enter code Miranda20. You'll get 20% off of your first box. If you want to win this month's glove box, then just hashtag detail glove box and just subscribe, like our video, share it if you can, just help the channel to grow. That's all I ask. YouTube does not make it easy for channels like us to grow anymore, so that's all I can do. Thank you guys for watching.